Hello guys, so welcome back with my channel, and today I am going to make something for Janmashtami. So here I had a basket and I have tied threads around it, and here it's a thermocol piece which is covered, and I have covered this one with a felt, and at the back of this I have applied some glue, and now I'm going to paste it. Yes, so you can see it's done. So guys, I am using hot glue gun, and here I'm having some decorative materials. So I'm going to paste them here. One by one, I'll do the same. If you don't have hot glue gun, so you can use Fevikwik also, and you can use tape also. So here you can see it's done and it looks quite better. So here I have this, and I am going to apply some hot glue gun on it. It's done. Guys, I have some flowers here, and I'm going to apply hot glue gun on them. One by one, I'll apply it. Do the same till then it's not complete. So guys, see, it's done. And now what I'm going to do is, with these threads I'm going to put these. So let's see how we'll do the same. So guys, now I'll take one thread from this, and now I'll hold it in my hand, and then we'll do like this, and then we'll tie a knot. Now you can see it's done. So guys, see, it's done. Do like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet.